Hi guys, it's Gina. I'm so happy you clicked on this video because I'm going to show you how I style my hair. I just washed my hair and it's been in a microfiber towel. I like microfiber towels because they make the hair dry faster and also prevent frizz. As you can see, I have a natural wave going on. First things first, I love volume. I only get volume if I use mousse. And I'm not shy about it. This one is by Amika. It's their plus size, perfect volume mousse. Apply this to my roots. And I noticed my styles last a lot longer when I use mousse. I'm gonna add even more. I also did one of those question things on Instagram, so I thought it'd be fun if I answer some of those while we're styling the hair. I cannot stress the importance of heat protectant when you style your hair. I'm applying this blowout cream. This is just going to prevent frizz. It's going to make the hair smoother. Everyone always asks if I'm a natural redhead. Yes, I am. I'm the only redhead in my family though. I mean, you guys have seen my siblings if you've watched my reels. And I do a spray heat protectant on my roots because I feel like a cream's pretty heavy. You don't want your hair to look greasy. I just comb it through to make sure the product's evenly distributed. Someone asked how tall I am. I'm 5'7.5". Now I blow dry my roots. I like to flip my head over for this. It just gives you more volume. I would say my hair is about 80% dry. I like these duckbill clips from Amazon. I'll have them linked on my storefront. You see how there's a little bit of a wave pattern? Yeah, we're gonna smooth that out. So I'm taking a blow dryer brush. Like, look at the difference. You don't need the Dyson. The Revlon one's good. The Amika one's good. T3 has a good one. I'll link options in the caption. Someone said, where are you from? I'm from Kentucky. Find a hairstylist who knows how to cut bangs because I didn't even do anything to that. I like to flip my head over for this step as well. Again, more volume. Now you could just stop here and flip out the ends with a round brush, but I'm going to show you how to do the cute curls. Again, work in sections. It's going to make everything easier. You're not gonna have tangles. You can curl away from your face for a 70s Farrah Fawcett look. You can curl towards your face for an old Hollywood style, or you can curl under for more volume. Take a guess at what I'm doing. More volume. So we're curling under. I'm trying to get tension on the hair. Cold shot it. And then I pin the curl with the duckbill clip. So think of your hair like chocolate. When it's hot, you can mold it to the shape you want. And then when it cools, it hardens in that shape. So that's why I pin the curl, because it's hot. As you use the curling iron, you pin it, it cools like this, so it's going to stay longer. Someone asked how old I am. I'm 23. Again, I'm just sectioning the hair. The top section is a little different. So I'm gonna split this top section in thirds. The back, the middle, and then the bangs. Again, just make sure there's no tangles. If I curl away, it's gonna give me that height back there. You might be thinking, Gina, this is a lot. I promise it is not that hard. You just have to practice a few times. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually not that bad. Just turn on a good song, curl your hair. Now I like to keep this in for at least 20 to 30 minutes, but the longer the better. I'll be back once it's time to take the curls out. It's about 30 minutes later. We're in a different setup. The lighting's better, so here we go. This is the best part. You could also hit it with hairspray, but because I'm not going anywhere, I'm not gonna do that. Final look. What do we think? Do we like it? If this is too curly for you, just take your comb, brush through the curls a little bit, but it will naturally fall. I'll just do heatless curls for the rest of the week, or I'll just let them fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. Let me know any videos you want to see. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.